In this video, I am going to show you how you can make $500 online without experience in Nigeria. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ethel. I'm super excited to have you here. In this channel, I talk about how you can make money online, productivity, self-improvement, and immigration to Canada. If you're interested in any of those topics, I'd like you to be a member of the family. All you need to do is to smash that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you always know when I release a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you make $500 in Nigeria online without any experience. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. So the website I'm going to be talking about is Make a Living Writing. Actually, I would like us to just go through, some of the posts that they have here. For example, you can see 25 tools I use for spectacular freelance remote work. How to become a freelance writer, the ultimate guide. Freelance writing rate, what hard-working writers earn in 2020. You can see other posts that says here, freelance marketing, 5 cute meat ways to get a hot client. The second one, the other one you can see here is writing conference online, 5 ways they are fresh and useful. Make money writing, how fast can you cash in on freelancing? So you can get a feel of the kind of topic they are looking into. Now I'm going to take you to the real gist, let's see the kind of post that they actually want and how much they're going to be paying you for doing the hard work. So as you can see right here, it says write for us. So we just take a look at this site right here. It says this site pays writers. And it says here, this site pays writers. Write for us. Why I pay writers? She gave little reasons why she pays writers, because she believes that if your blog is making money, guest posters, should actually be paid, which is really, really fair and very understandable. She talks about how she started making money. I started making money writing to help writers find better paying gigs and teach freelancers about how to move up and even more. Now let's see the kind of post she's looking for. Now this one of these blogs says she's looking for blogging, break in copywriting topics, editor and question and answer, ghostwriting, juggling, making the leap, market report, marketing, move up and earn more, overcoming fear, productivity, resource and tools, bet size, self-publishing success stories, social media marketing success stories, writing craft. Now let's deep dive into each of those topics she's looking at. Now she has even gone down to explain to you the kind of post that she actually wants. For example, you say how to get traffic, how to get more traffic, build your list, guest post, conversion, using blogging to get freelance clients. When it comes to breaking in topics, what she's looking at is how and where to find good beginner market that pays. She talked about copywriting tips and strategies to write headlines, email campaign, lead magnet, case studies, white papers, and sales copy that converts. She also talks about editor question and answers and what do editors really want. Talk to several in a niche and share with us. So speak to editors in different niche, maybe health niche, banking niche, finance niche, and just let her know what they feel about questions they're going to ask. Now she talked about ghostwriting. How do you find ghostwriting clients? Those are kind of topics. She's one thing. She also talks about marketing here. She said lead generation strategies to find freelance writing prospects and clients. How to market tips. How to marketing tips. How tips about marketing. How to get clients to buy from you. How to kind of videos or topics. That's what she's looking at. So she also wants blog posts for productivity, overcoming fear, and things like that. And if you are interested, in making money this way, which is really, really easy, she doesn't state here that she needs anybody that has experience. All she says is that she looks for people who can write properly, and she's ready to pay them this amount to get them started in making money at home. If you're interested, she has stated an email here where you can even send her an email or send whoever it is. He said I can send email blog email blog editor. Okay, you can send the blog editor an email at justin.avon@gmail.com. so just shoot them an email, let them know what you are trying to, or your topics. Pick them topics that you're interested in. She has a whole lot of topics right here. A lot of topics is not restricted. If you know how to overcome fear, write about that. If you know how to be productive, write about that. If you know social media marketing, resources, tools, best sites, just write and send to her. There are no restrictions. She didn't talk about country. She didn't restrict, she didn't say you can make money if you're in a certain part of the world. She didn't state that here. That's not part of the requirements. As you can see, there's nowhere she stated about writing something that is not writing from another part of the world. So this is open to everyone from the world. If you know how to write properly, this is a way you can make up to $500, even more. Take for instance, you do 2 posts. We can see she said $75 to $150 if you write posts like 4 posts in a day, which is totally possible. If you can do 4 posts or write 4 posts in a day, you are going to be making 150 times 4 is $600. It's not even 5. I'm talking about $600. And she has given us a wide range of topics that she's interested in. She's not restricting you. So everybody is, there's opportunity for a lot of people right here. So another thing you should pay attention to when you're writing for this kind of website is the requirements. What are they looking for? Now she says, first of all, you have to become a subscriber to this blog and read it a while. Nearly all my successful guest posts come from regular readers. Number 2, read and follow these guidelines seriously. You will not believe how many writers pitch me who have clearly never read this page. So it's really, really important for you to follow instructions. Don't just shoot this email, write email, oh I want to make money, or I want to send a post, when you've not gone through the description of what this person, or the job description, or the post description of what this person is looking for. This is the main place that you should pay attention to. He said, submit your best headline ideas and outline for your proposed guest post in the body of the email. If I'm interested, I'll probably ask for some tweak before giving you an assignment. So just shoot an email to her, give the headline, and also give the the detail of what you want to write in different section of the post. Now she said, number 4, receive an assignment. Receiving an assignment is not a guarantee of publication, so remember to write the heck out of it. So you have to give time to write this and write with all your mind, do the research. There's so many resources out there that you can use to put one and one together and make this post a very interesting one. Now she said, I pay on publication at the end of month. I often have a backlog of guest posts, only 4 to 5 per month. Okay, I am buying exclusive first time and repeating publication right. Do not submit pre-written posts without getting an assignment from me. So you are not supposed to just send posts to her. You're supposed to give her time to receive the assignment. So you have to go through the steps of what she's asking. So she said she prefers 750 to 1,000 words per post, so you should pay attention to that. So she said, note, I do not pay experts. So she's not looking for experts who would like to do a guest post ahead of an appearance on one of my webinar or podcasts, or who are posting specifically to promote a book or other product. If your guest post has fresh, useful information for freelance writers, I may be interested in publishing, but I do not pay in this scenario. So she does not pay people who are experts. You can see it's clearly stated. She's not looking for experts right here. She's looking for you and I who are just beginning, or who don't really have she's actually looking for people who do not really have, quote unquote, the experience. So if you know how to write and you've not written before, I think this is a great opportunity for you, and you need to take it very, very seriously. Like, you are home, if you're at home or you have been affected by what's going on in this world. That's why I'm making these videos, to help as much people as possible to start getting some coins even while they're at home. So on the day your post goes up, please respond to comment over on my Facebook. Part of what I pay for is your help driving engagement on social media to the post. Payment may not be forthcoming if you are what may I the day your post goes up, so be sure to let me know if you are not available so we can reschedule your post. So another instruction, you have to respond to comments on that post if people are asking questions. That's there. If you do not do that, you might not be able, getting money. So she also said it clearly, I do not accept paid links or sponsored posts, so be careful. We are here to make money, don't sell something else. This website, just go there, make the heck out of your 45, make money, try and get posts that will make you money, like $75 to $150. That's a lot of money. Take for instance, you're paid $150, you are gonna maybe you write 4 posts, that's $600. I mean, in a day you can do this in a day. So guys, take a look at this website. Everything about this website, I'm gonna keep the link down in the description box so that you can go and start making your own money online without any experience from Nigeria. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.